Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshata and today is the day when I finally decide to color my hair purple. Okay, so I'll be doing this purple, this streaks one. It is the Funky Colors Crazy Violet, and first I have to bleach my hair and then I have to apply color, because directly applying color on black hair, it's not gonna show up at all. So पहले bleach करेंगे and then purple. So for bleach I have these two Streaks Ultra Lights color, purple topaz. I'm not gonna use this purple, I don't know, I don't like the shade, so I'm gonna use the bleach which is inside. So let's get right into the video. I am super excited. I am nervous, honestly saying I'm very nervous, because I'm doing this by myself and I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I still have the possibility, if it turns out bad, then I'm gonna cut out my hair, right, very super short. It's quite long enough, so we'll see how it goes, but I think I'm gonna like it. I have too much confidence in myself, I don't know why. Okay, so here I am. Honestly saying, I was quite nervous because this is the first time I'm doing it by myself, and bleach is quite dangerous. Okay, so I sectioned my hair into two parts and then I sectioned it again from behind my ears. So basically, you have to make four sections. My bleach is ready. That means I have used 1 part of bleaching powder to 2 parts of developer, and I used 3 boxes because one box contains such a less amount of bleaching powder. It was not at all like covering half or 1/4 of my hair. So if you have hair of my length, definitely go for 3 to 4 boxes. And okay, so this is the most important thing. If you're thinking to color your hair, if there is any thought which is going inside your mind, the thing you want to note first is to buy gloves. I think the packet contains gloves, but people don't wear it. I don't know why. Okay, so I am using the brush which came from the packet itself, but you can use whatever you have at home, because this brush was not at all good quality. It was quite cheap. The bristles were very hard and very stiff, they were not at all soft. So you can use any other brush that's lying in your home. So at the ends you want to have concentrated amount of bleach. That means you have to use a lot of bleach and then slightly move upwards, because that's how you're gonna get that ombre effect which you're looking for. Otherwise it's gonna look like if you just dipped your hair in paint. That's it, that's how it's gonna look. So at the ends it should be very concentrated, and then when you move like upwards, it should be less and less, and at the last upwards where you want it to end, so you just apply the strokes of bleach there. That's it, that's how you're gonna get that effect. And at the end, so I ditched my brush. After one strand I just ditched it. It was not at all good. I used my hands with obviously my gloves on. So, and it was quite easy. Like, that was way better than using the brush. Did the first two front sections of my hair and then moved to the backwards. Yeah, okay, so this is how I did my whole hair. You can watch this. That's me doing in the fast speed my full hair. Okay, so I kept the bleach for about 1 hour 15 minutes, and now I'm taking all my foils off from the hair, and we'll see how my hair has turned out. How did the bleach work or not? By the way, I was checking in between, like I was opening the foil and checking that if my hair is bleaching or not, or for how long should I keep the bleach on. So you have to do that. It's according to your hair. And I can see there are a lot of patches on my hair, like black patches. Using a shampoo, like completely rinse off the bleach, and if you have time, air dry your hair. Otherwise, like how I did, because I don't have any patience, I blow dried. But I think I messed up equally on both sides, so now it's time for the color. First I was using with the foils on, but I removed it afterwards. I don't know why I did, but you should definitely cover your the parts which you've colored with foil, so that the color doesn't dry up or it gets the heat which it requires to process the color on the bleached hair. So I did not do that, and that's why you'll see how my color turns out. So yeah, so you should definitely do that, and remember to keep the color for about 2 hours if you have time. Definitely for 2 hours, not less than that, because I kept mine for about 45 minutes and it was quite faded. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. I've already shown you the pictures how it looks in the natural light. इस रूम में लाइटिंग काफ़ी कम है, तो ये डिम और रात में ऐसा दिखेगा. रात में यू कैन से ऐसा लगेगा. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट पर्पल. आई थिंक यार ये पिंकिश मरून काइंड ऑफ अ कलर आया है. आई डोंट नो ये पर्पल तो नहीं आया. मे बी इट्स बिकॉज कि मैंने 45 मिनट्स ही रखा है, एंड आई शुड कीप इट फॉर अराउंड 2 hours, एंड इवन आई हैव नॉट यूज फॉइल्स. बट या दिस इज़ ओके. थोड़ा फेडेड कलर है. आई ट्राई एंड कलर माई हेयर अगेन, बिकॉज आई हैव सम कलर लेफ्ट इन दैट ट्यूब, एंड वील सी. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And this was my first experience coloring my hair first time, not like at home first time. I've already colored my hair before, but yeah, it was me coloring at home. And if you like it, please, मैं बोल चुकी हूँ but I'll say it again, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And okay, bye.